Hi friends, I am Dr. Jinsi Sharma from Whitecoats Clinic. आज हम बात करेंगे कैविटीज क्या होती है, ये कैविटीज कैसे हो जाती है टीथ में एंड इसका ट्रीटमेंट क्या होता है. So first let us understand what is a cavity. A cavity is a small blackish spot or a black hole which is seen on the teeth. Something like this, which you can just see. So these cavities are caused by improper brushing of the teeth or improper oral hygiene habits, and also foods like sticky food, sugary food and acidic drinks. These things cause cavities into our mouth. Initially, there is no symptom as such with the patient which you would be experiencing. But eventually with time, if these cavities are untreated, it may lead to sensitivity, pain and eventually loss of the teeth. So these small cavities can be treated with restorations. Now there are two types of restorative materials. One is the cement filling and the other is a laser light filling. Your doctor or your dentist is the best person to decide which is the best for you. If the cavity is smaller, it can be filled. It can be restored with a filling. But if the cavity is bigger, then it may be treated with root canal treatment or eventually extraction of the teeth. Thank you.